Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Math 30-3, Chapter 6.3, Multiple Transformations. So today, we're going to draw the image of a 2D shape that results from a given combination of successive transformations. And we're going to create, analyze, and describe designs using translations and rotations and reflections in all four quadrants of a coordinate grid. Okay, so combination and coordinate. Now, review, working with parallel Sorry, that shouldn't be there. So, often when a shape or object undergoes transformation, it undergoes more than one transformation. More than one. It may be rotated and then translated, for example, or reflected over the y-axis and then translated. So, on the following coordinate plane, do the following transformations. Rotate the shape 90 degrees clockwise about the origin and draw the resulting image. So, first things first, 90 degrees clockwise. So I have to go clockwise is this way. So, remember how I did this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over and 1 down. Rotates 90 degrees. That becomes 6 up and 1 over. So there's A prime. 4 over and 1 down is for B. There's B prime there. Now from there on in, you should be able to find the other points. I'm getting lazy and I'm not going to do all of them. 3 over and 4 down becomes 3 up and 4 over. And let me see, this is 2, 4, 6. 5 over and 6 down, so that becomes 5 up and 6 over, 6. Now, I'm getting lazy. I'm just going to... There's the points there. As I said, that's getting quite messy. I need to fix that. It's a little less messy. There we go. So that B prime, that is E. So that's E prime. All right, I'm not going to draw the rest of the points, or label the rest of the points. Now, translate the rotated shape 4 units to the right and 3 units down. Okay, so that is using Mr. Computer. See if it works for me now when people are watching. So 4. Oh, you poopy head. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, and 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now, I want you to note here, A is there. This is A double prime. B is right there. This becomes, B prime is there. This is B double prime. E is right there. This becomes E double prime. And do we have to list what are the coordinates of the vertices of these? Okay. So B double prime is 3, 1. Notice B was originally there. E double prime is -2, 2. I'm not listing all of them. I'm too old. A double prime is 3 over and 3 up. Okay. Now, reflect the shape over the y-axis and then over the x-axis. What are the final coordinates of the vertices? Once again, I'm not going to list all of them. So, over the y-axis. Now, this is the y-axis. So how does this go? Well, A is 1 line over to the right, so A prime is going to be 1 to the left. B is 2 to the right, so B prime will be 2 to the left. C is 4 to the right here, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. There's C prime. D is 1, 2, 3 to the right, so 1, 2, 3 to the left. E is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. And F is 3 over, so it'll be 3 back. F prime, there we go. So there is a reflection across the y-axis. And just looking at it, do we have the same basic shape, just backwards? Yes. Good. Now, and then, so that's a reflection of the y-axis. Then we reflect over the x-axis. The x-axis is right here. So you do the same thing, except up and down. Now note, E is not right on the x-axis. It doesn't move, so that's also E double prime. F is 1 unit below, or 1 line below. F double prime will be 2 up, or 1 up, sorry. A is right here, 2 up. It'll be 2 down. B is 1, 2, 3, 4 up, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 down. C is 3, 4, 5 up. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. D is 1, 2, 3 up. It'll be 1, 2, 3 down. And now we play connect the dots. There we go. Same shape reflected down. I'm just going to list a couple of the points. A double prime is at -1 and -2. C double prime is at 1, 2, 3, -4. -5 down. And E is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I'm going to go back and label those points original points. E is here at 5, 0. A is originally here at 1, 2. And notice C is here at 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Okay? So that's more of a curiosity to point out. With these reflections, the numbers flip and they become positive and negative. Alright, now, examine the diagram below. What transformations could have taken place to move from position 1 to position 2? Now, it might be a little hard for you to see, so I'm going to highlight this. This is A prime, and this is B prime. And notice over here, it's original A to B. So what happened? It had to, well, there had to be a reflection. Now, across what? I don't know, but offhand I would say across y-axis. That would cause it to flip over. And then, so that would be first, a reflection. And then second, I think, would be a translation. Now, notice how this goes up to. At the same time, if we flip this over here, A would be there. Which means it goes up to and it goes over to, or left to, I think. Okay? That's what I need you to be able to see. Now, 4. Hector says that the image A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime is the result of a translation 5 units to the right and 4 units down of the diagram ABCD. Camilla says A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime was created by reflection and translation. Who's right? Explain. Well, let's look at it closely. Here's A, and here's A prime. And notice C is here, and this is C prime. So there has to be a reflection. It's upside down, so it's Hector's wrong. It's not just translations. Camilla says has to be a reflection, and then a translation. So yes, reflected probably over the x-axis, and then moves down and to the right. Okay. Now, to explain this orally, I haven't written it out. You have to be able to see that. Okay. And that's it. So, and that's it for chapter 6. So, get the worksheets done, get the classwork done, and then start on the review. And if you've got any questions, I'll see you in class. Good luck.